Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up EasyPay. First, understand that EasyPay simplifies your bill payments by automating them. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can set up your recurring payments quickly and without hassle. We'll cover everything from gathering your necessary information to confirming your enrollment, making your financial management smoother. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This includes your bank account number and the routing number, which are crucial for setting up direct payments. Also, keep a recent billing statement nearby. It contains your specific account details. Once prepared, navigate to your service provider's secure online payment portal to start the setup. Now, let's walk through the enrollment steps. Within the payment portal, find and select the option for EasyPay or AutoPay. You'll then be prompted to enter your banking details, so input your account and routing numbers accurately. Finally, review the proposed payment schedule and all the entered information carefully before confirming your EasyPay setup. Once enrolled, it's wise to regularly check your payment activity to ensure everything is processing correctly. You can easily update your banking information or adjust payment dates through the same online portal if your circumstances change. Remember, managing your finances effectively is key to peace of mind. Also, for a truly effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.